Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is March the 14th, 2021. Today, this video right here, we are going to give you all an update on Zilliqa. You guys can tell from our last price prediction, we've been expecting the market in Zilliqa to go higher in price, and that is precisely what the trap has done. Now, we have some things to talk about on this video to show that upward progressional movement in higher price for Zilliqa may be pumping the brakes. So before I break into that, if today is your first time watching our video, you all appreciate how we are giving you all a heads up as to where the market is going to go. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Tap that bell notification and then follow us on our second YouTube channel, to which we are creating price predictions within the stock market. That's it. That's simple. So now, the last time we did our price prediction in Zilliqa, you guys can tell, was all the way back here on February the 25th. We talked about Zilliqa going higher in price. And we also established the support area right there around 10 cents. We said if the market broke 10 cents to the downside in Zilliqa, that the market would go lower. And you can tell that the market trap hugged and supported itself at 10 cents. That was even more credibility into realizing that Zilliqa was still going to go higher in price, and it has definitely exceeded our ultimate TP price, which simply means TP means take profit. All right, 12.25% right there. It was done on March the 9th. So we did this prediction all the way in February 25th. It didn't come to fruition until March the 9th. But either way, we met the trap at that price. We said that we was going to see the market go higher, and that is what occurred. So let's say you're still into the market today though, and you wanted to take out your profit. You wanted to leave the store. How much money would you be having in your pocket? Wow, 39% increase from the money you place in your account on the 25th or in his market to today's trading day. You're up 39%. It doesn't get no better than that. Congratulations. Now that is done and it is over. But one thing I can tell you already, that you can already see for yourself, is that the market in Zilliqa is still in a upward trend, which is good to see. So this line is still in play. So I'm just going to simply extend it out a little bit higher because it's going to have some impact as we go forward in the market for Zilliqa. That's the first thing we're going to do. That is the first thing that we acknowledge, is that the market in Zilliqa is still in an upward trend. Got it. No problems. But first, I want you all to see something that has changed in regards to the volume. Take a look at the volume right here. Okay. We haven't seen this much volume in Zilliqa since what? The last time we saw volume that size or even higher was back in December of 2020. Now, this is when the market in Zilliqa is trading around all-time highs on the Binance exchange. So now, what do you think happened? What do you think it means? What occurred on March the 11th? I'll tell you. Based off the last 3 days of trading, the market in Zilliqa is in sell mode. Many people in Zilliqa, they're taking profits around 19 cents, 20 cents. Are you? Or are you thinking that this is a buy opportunity? Let's see what's going on in the market in Zilliqa on a 3-day time frame, because the market right now is down 9, almost 10%. So all can tell here that we've seen a pretty big spread over the last 3 days in the market in Zilliqa, and the volume is definitely standing out amongst all the other 3-day volume bars. So yeah, profit taking was in the market on the last completed 3-day price bar. 5-day, let's see. Still seeing some weakness here. Still seeing people trying to take profits out the market in Zilliqa. On the weekly time frame, you guys can see right here that we are closing on this current weekly price bar off of the highs. Now, I'm gonna give you all a heads up. I'm gonna show you something from the price chart that this market in Zilliqa can still hold support. Okay, and we've seen it already on a couple of daily price bars, and it's right here. Okay, 15, 16 cents, right? The market in Zilliqa needs to maintain that. If not, it's going to be around 15 in order for us to really see this market hold price within this range. And the range that I'm talking about is 15 cents all the way up there to around 19. That is the range that we can see this market in Zilliqa trade over the next couple of days going into the month of April. Okay. But from what we're seeing over the last 3 trading days, the market in Zilliqa is weak, which is why we need to identify support, which is 16 cents, no lower than 15. Okay. Remember that as this market in Zilliqa continues to trade. Now, the ultimate area of support is this upward line. Okay. So as we go throughout the month of March going into April, we really need to see price trade above this line, because if we break this ascending line, the overall bullishness in Zilliqa is over. I'll be the first one to tell you that, but we're not there yet. So for us, what we're going to do, we're going to continue to play the weakness in the market. We have already identified a very crucial area of support though. So obviously we'll need to come into the market and tag out around 16.5 cents. We can see that. Or 16 cents. We can see that. But I'm going to lower it all the way down here to around 15 cents. Okay. So let's do that. We're going to play the weakness into the market in Zilliqa. And we're going to bring down 18 cents in the market for restriction. And in Zilliqa, it might try to break out a little bit higher than that. But that's going to be the vicinity to where we'll expect to see more selling enter the market. Okay. But overwhelmingly, this is where we're seeing the market weakness enter for Zilliqa. Now, it's not all that weak. I mean, this is just an opportunity for those who have seen monumental profit to come in and actually execute it and take it out the way. Can the market recover though? Can the market still see more demand for Zilliqa at these prices? Because if not, the trap is going to lower the market all the way back down to around 16 cents to 15, which is not a bad thing because the market is still trending higher above our ascending line. So we're still good in that aspect. But for the moment, this is what's going on into the market in Zilliqa. Weakness. We're not expecting a lot of it. So to you who are bullish into the market in Zilliqa, just relax. We're just simply telling you that right now the market is weak. So now I want you all to tell me, what do you all think Zilliqa is going to do going forward over the rest of the month of March? You know, where do you think the price is going to be in Zilliqa? Okay, let me look at this before I let you all go on an hourly time frame, because you can see a little bit closer that, yeah, 16 cent definitely needs to be maintained as support. So that is where the ultimate area of support needs to be in order for us to really see market strength and market movement higher. Okay. And currently, even right there on the 9-hour chart, we got 53 minutes left, but we are currently seeing the market close below that trend that we saw this market in Zilliqa break out of. Got to be watchful of that. So yeah, let's go ahead and play this weakness out into the market in Zilliqa. Now it's your turn. I'd like to give you all the opportunity to see where Zilliqa is going to trade. Where's your position? Where do you expect the price to go? So tell us, where's your TP price? Where would you exit out the market in your profit in Zilliqa? And let's not make it complicated. And that's it. Questions, comments, as always, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability and trade different.